Hello, good day everyone, and thank you for joining this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and the tool I will be showing you how to work with today is the simple Inventor sketch point. So the sketch point is great to create references on your components. It's also fantastic to define the position of features that you'd like to place or insert or create on your component. So how do we work with the sketch point? So of course we have to have an active sketch first, and you will have the point command inside your ribbon. You can simply activate it and place instances where you'd like to define the position of your feature. Of course, to be more accurate, we'd like to dimension these. Okay, so I'll just dimension them 20 by 20 from each corner. And this is great because this defines the accurate position of what would be holes in the future. Okay, so once you've defined the points, of course these are going to be center points for holes, I can exit my sketch. And for example, just to go through the process, you can start the hole command and that will automatically pick up those points and assist you in creating your feature. Okay, so those positions have been defined and those points defined the reference location. So just to go through another example, I can do something like a circle. So your points are quite flexible in terms of how you create them. You can place them on other pieces of geometry and combine them with your other tools such as circular pattern or rectangular pattern. In this case, I'll run the circular pattern command, select my point, define my axis I'm going to rotate about, and I'll leave it at 6 instances, taking up a span of 360 degrees. Simply confirm that input, and when I run the hole command, for example, the feature will pick up all those points to define the location of the holes I'd like to have on my component. So the point tool is very diverse and it's often used to assist in placing some of Inventor's other features such as eye features, punch shapes or features for your sheet metal components, as well as things like holes. So that pretty much summarizes how to use the point command. Hopefully you enjoyed that session. Please stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content.